guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the vlog. So as I've mentioned in a couple of my previous videos, that I am in the process of moving. So my move-in date is about 2 weeks from today. I've gotten all my furniture. I got a couch, a bed, dresser, and all like the big stuff, aside from a few pieces that I'm actually going to Ikea later to get. So I kind of wanted to show you guys what I bought, kind of do maybe like a moving haul. So this is like my kind of little corner of all the stuff that I have packed so far. And then in here, this is like our little storage area. Yeah, this gives me a lot of anxiety. But like this is mine too, that's mine. I put my pillows and my comforter and like my towels, like all the soft stuff that like doesn't need to be in boxes, I put those all in trash bags because I mean it just takes up way too much space if I put them in trash bags or if I put them in boxes. So it's just easier to put them in trash bags. So I guess I'm gonna kind of just go through what I have. So this here is actually a little cart. You can like open it up and you can pull this thing down. You can put boxes on here and you can like drag it along. So that's gonna be really helpful. So I'm bringing that. And then most of this stuff is actually like kitchen stuff because I don't have any kitchen stuff, so I needed to buy a bunch of new stuff. Okay, I take that back because actually this is like a big random mix of things. So I have like trash bags here, which actually shouldn't be in here. These are the bags I'm packing things in. I just put them there for now. This is my juicer, and this is a shower curtain. I got this from Macy's. And then I bought these little Tupperwares. I got these from the dollar store. It came in a pack of 2 and they were $1. So I have 6 of these and I got these for $3. So I thought these would be really good for like lunches and also for meal preps. And then this is my mom. She gave this to me. It's just like a little thing for cooking. Over here I have like some wooden spoons that I got from Macy's. And these are bowls. So my mom had so many bowls and like plates and stuff, so she let me take some. So those are all bowls. And then this here is a cooking set. This thing is really cool. Let me just show you guys. So I got this cooking set from Macy's and it comes with 13 pieces. It comes with these 5 pots and then the covers, the lids of them. And then this, I think this is a steamer. Is that what that's for? I never know what that's for, but it comes with that. And then it comes with like a spatula and like these 3 utensils. So it comes with 13 pieces and the price for all of this was literally $39.99. This is just like a really great starting kit for if you are like me and you're moving into your first apartment and you just need like the very basic essentials. I have a Pyrex on the bottom. This is a baking tray, and then this is a freaking hanger. This is a bath mat. This is like what I put my juices in. The way I pack is like not really organized. I mean, I try to stay organized, so like I try to put like mostly kitchen stuff in this box and bathroom stuff in this box and like decoration stuff in that box. So for the most part it is pretty organized, but just because I'm really trying to limit the amount of boxes I use, so if there's any like loose space in any of the boxes, I will literally just jam anything in there that I can fit. So my goal is just to have like the very minimum amount of boxes as possible. This bin right here, it's just like one of those like plastic storage bins. That's literally just shoes, all shoes. There's nothing else in there. Okay, so this bag right here, this has all my cleaning supplies in here. I have like a Swiffer mop in here. I have a toilet brush cleaner, and then I have rags on top. And then I have just pretty much all my cleaning like sprays and all that stuff. And so what I plan on doing when I move in is before I bring all this stuff in, after I get my keys and like do the inspection and stuff, I'm going to just bring this and then I'm gonna like clean the place down. They do have cleaners, I'm pretty sure, that come and clean the place before you move in, but the building is brand new, so there's gonna be like some sawdust on top of the what's it called, the closet shelves. So I want to go in and I just want to like clean everything. And so in here I have this little like storage bin. I have another one, so I have 2 of these, and I plan on putting this in my closet, like my coat closet. I'm gonna put them on the top shelf and like put like scarves and hats and like gloves, whatever other stuff I need. And then I just got this over the door hook. I got this from Macy's. This was only $7.99. I got it from the backstage Macy's department. And then I have all of these black hangers. So a tip for organizing your closet is to like use the felt hangers because they're skinny, and when you have all hangers that are the same, it'll save space in your closet. So and I just like how it looks. It's just like aesthetically pleasing. So I have these. I have about like 30 here, but I ordered a 50 pack because I need more. So this here is my mom. She gave this to me. These are like little bamboo or like straw placemats, and I use these specifically for putting hot pans or hot like plates, like when you cook food or like hot pots, so it doesn't like mess up the counter. This is a baking pan for like cakes and stuff. And then here I have some decorations and candles. Actually, this is mostly candles. These are candles that I have had already. So I have like that one, and then I have this like other sweet pea one. This is my iHome that I'm bringing. This is my mom's that I just took. She won't care, but I thought it was nice to put like candy or like nuts in here, and I could put this like on my coffee table or maybe my bar cart. Maybe put some like limes in here for the bar cart. So I thought that was cute. This I got from H&M. I just bought this. It's so cute. I'm totally gonna put this on my coffee table. So it's this little glass container. It's you can't really see it in this lighting, but it's like a pink color. I like the gold detail. And then I also just got these coasters from Macy's. It just says drink more wine. They were super cheap. They were like $10. They're not like the best quality. It's kind of like, they look kind of cheap honestly, but I think that'll just be like cute for my coffee table or maybe my bar cart, because I got a bar cart. And then I got these set of 3 candles. I got this from HomeGoods and I love this. That's what it looks like, so that's really cute. I really like it's like a stark white color, so I might put that on my coffee table. Not all of this stuff is mine. Like my mom has so much random stuff in here, so like all of this isn't mine, but this is more kitchen stuff. I got a set of Pyrex from Macy's. I got a colander also from Macy's. And then this is an old waffle making machine that was my parents', but they're letting me take it. And then I got another baking sheet in here. And then I got this really teeny tiny cutting board that I actually might return because it's so small. I bought another one that's a lot bigger. But this is from Macy's. This is $4 on sale. So I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it to use it for like cutting small things like fruit or something. Maybe I'll show you guys this Pyrex set because it's so nice, and this was cheap as well. This is probably like maybe $20. It comes with 4 bowls and then the lids, and first of all, the colors are so cute. And then I mostly got this for like, I can use this probably for like mixing things like baking and also just cooking, and then also for storage. And then the small one I can probably use to like bring lunch to work, so I feel like I could get good use out of these. And then what else do I have in here? Oh, that is a rice cooker. It's just a basic little white rice cooker, also from Macy's, and super cheap, probably $20. And then here I have a set of knives. So I thought these were really cute, and like I didn't even notice until after I purchased it, but like it literally is the same color scheme as the Pyrex bowls. So that's like, how perfect is that? But it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 knives. And then on the bottom I just have like random stuff. I got this like what do you call these? Measuring cup. I got a measuring cup from Macy's as well. And this is the other cutting board I got. This one is a lot bigger, and I got this from HomeGoods. It was $7.99. So this here is my rug. I got this from Ruggable, and I love the design. It is like a gray and ivory speckled type of design. It is super natural, super neutral. So this is an 8x10. It's really big, but the reason it's so compressed in this like small box is because this is only the rug cover. I didn't get the rug pad, which I thought I didn't need, but after opening this and putting this on the floor, it is really thin, so I need to get the pad. I just ordered it yesterday, so it's coming in the mail. But if you're not familiar with Ruggable, these rugs are all machine washable, so if you have like small kids or if you have pets, this is good for you. You can like totally wash it, and I mean, even though it's an 8x10, this will fit in your washer. And then in here I have all my throw pillows. Like I said, I don't need like to pack these in any way. It's just easier to put them in bags. So I have my throw pillows, and then I also have my new bed pillows. I just got these pillows from Bed Bath & Beyond, and these are honestly the comfiest pillows that I've ever put my head on. It's a therapeutic, and it has a memory foam in the middle of the pillow, and then it has like the pillow like thingy stuff on the outside. And then this is for a side sleeper. I sleep on my side, but they also have it for back sleepers and stomach sleepers, so I really like that. I got 2 of those. And then I also have this other bag, and then in here my bed sheets are here. I got these from Amazon. These were, I think, $20. And then I also have towels on the bottom. Like I said, I put all my towels here, my bath towels, like my pool and beach towels. This here is my comforter. I just got this. So this is from an online store called Buffy. It is the most comfiest, softest comforter I've ever laid in my life. And what's best about this is that you can get a 30-day free trial. So if you don't like it, you can totally return it, and then you won't even be charged until after 30 days. So I like this. It's like made from recyclable materials and just a lot of other good stuff. It's good for like if you get really hot when you sleep. So I always get too hot when I sleep, even if it's like 20 degrees outside. So it's like lightweight, so it keeps you cool, but then it also still keeps you warm, if that makes sense. I'm gonna like insert something in here like that gives more details if I can. But yeah, I really recommend you check it out. It's called Buffy. Okay, I have this box here, and I got these paintings also from Macy's. Surprise, surprise. Oh, so this is actually a laundry basket. I needed a laundry basket. I like this one because it's really skinny. It'll be good to fit in really easily in my closet. Okay, and so these paintings, so this is the first one. It's so big. I didn't realize it was gonna be this big. I thought it was gonna be like half the size of this. And then this is the other one. So they're different, but like same color scheme. So I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet. I was thinking I might put this somewhere like in between my kitchen and my living room. My color scheme of my apartment is gonna be white, gray, and gold with touches of like pink. So I thought this would be perfect, and also the frames are like a brassy gold color, so I thought that would be perfect. This pack of 2 was $65 on sale, so that's a really good price. Also in this box I have my little placemats. I got these from what's it called, H&M Home, and it comes with a pack of 2. So I also ordered 2 bar stools from Amazon, so 2 will be good. I'm gonna put these on my like island slash like bar seating area, and this ties in with my color themes. I think this was $5 or $10. So I think that's it for now. Like I said, most of this is like my bedroom and kitchen stuff. I think the only things left I have to really pack are my clothes and like my makeup and all my personal stuff. But in terms of my apartment, like living room, furniture, kitchen, I'm pretty much set. Another tip for when you pack and buy new things is to not do it all at once. I started doing this like 2 weeks ago, and I've collectively bought things over the like past 2 weeks, and I still have another 2 weeks left before I move into my apartment. I'm going to Ikea later today. I need to go get a TV stand, like a TV unit, and then I also need to go get my vanity table, my vanity like desk area. And then I also want to get some shelving, and I know they have like some really cool fake plants there that I want to get. I just got this package, this very long package. I have been ordering everything. I don't think I have bought anything in store. Ah yes, my shoe racks. I got these wood and chrome shoe racks, and I got 3 of them. So this was $12.99 each. And what's really cool about these is that, so this is the smallest it can get, and these little bars are expandable. So you could expand it all the way out, and the most that it can fit is 6 pairs of shoes on each. And they're also stackable. I plan on stacking 2 of them and putting them in my like walk-in closet, and then I want to put the 3rd one in my coat closet. In my living room. I literally, like right after I opened that package, that long one, this package came like to my door. So I'm gonna open this one too. So this is an organizer for to put over your cabinet door, and that's for hair tools, for your hair dryer, and then you can put like your straightener and your curler brushes in here. So I wanted to, yeah, so that's what it would look like. You could also use it for like cleaning supplies, but I'm gonna use this for my hair products because the bathroom doesn't really have many cabinets, so I want to utilize as much space as possible. Right now in my closet I fold all of my pants, but there's not really many shelving spaces in the closet, so I'm gonna start hanging them all. So I just got this pack. I think it comes in a pack of 15. And then these are some pillow covers. So I have a bunch of throw pillows, but they're like kind of ugly and like old and not the color scheme that I'm going for. So I bought these 16 by 16 square pillow covers, and it's like this really pretty light blush pink color. A tip for if you have old pillows that you do not like but you don't want to waste or throw away, buy pillow covers. I just put the cover on the pillow and I am so in love with it. This is the other pillow that I'm going to be using, and then the pillow, so this is what is in here. I have these 2 black pillows, so I covered the black pillow, and the case is a little bit or the cover is a little bit smaller than the actual pillow, but I actually really like that because now pillow is so firm. It's like really hard and firm. It's not as flimsy as this original one is. So I love this so much. It's my first time in Ikea and I'm like, this is so exciting.
Oh, it's so dope.
Okay, so I found the first thing that I wanted. This is the Bias TV stand. I don't know, that's not how you pronounce it, I'm pretty sure. But it's like BYAS TV unit. And I wanted like a sleek white one like this. It has like a glossy finish and then it has like storage. So I wanted something like that. And then the other ones, they have a lot of other ones, but this is the cheapest one. So I think that's my first choice, but we're gonna keep looking. We're making that face.
Go shop, I'm gonna be right here.
All right, you be there. Set your alarm. Do you know how many people have probably laid in that bed? Like a communal bed. Hey, at least make the bed, make it up.
Own house.
Yeah, this is nice.
So,
I kind of like this too. I don't know what you would. Oh, it's a clear thing there. This is nice.
so nice.
That's the one that I think I'm gonna get, and then that's the other one I was considering. I don't know.
But this is twice the price.
Twice the price.
So
yeah,
you're saving.
No, I don't need to be spending money on a TV unit, so. I really like the cabinets of this one.
Dude, if this was my kitchen,
yeah,
it just like puts me in the vibe to cook. Like,
I really like the natural.
such a lively energy.
The natural wood. It's like my aesthetic. Yeah. Okay, guys, I've been looking for a plant like this, like a fake plant. I think it's called the fig. I can't remember, but this type of like leaf plant I've been looking for, and they have one here for $50. They have a lot of fake plants, like a lot. And I prefer to get fake plants because I can't keep real plants alive. So yeah, we're getting that.
I can't keep real plants alive.
I can't keep them alive. Yeah, I like this. And I think I'm gonna get a pot for them here too. I don't know though, because I don't really know how if I like how that looks. Huh. Maybe it's this one? Oh no. Or I might just get one somewhere else. We found the first item. It is the TV stand, that glossy one. So yes, it is really long, so I hope it fits in my car, but I have a Jeep, so I think it'll be fine.
Honestly, you gotta talk about the organization.
Oh,
because when
yes.
you pick out your items, like in the beginning where we were earlier, when you pick out your items, it tells you, all right, it's an aisle 7, bin 28, and look at this. Look how it's labeled.
Yeah.
Aisle 7, and then
the
bin
tip,
28.
yeah.
It's so easy to find the items that you're looking for.
This literally is my dream, an OCD person's dream. Hey guys, so I'm home now from Ikea. I just wanted to let you guys know the things that I got really quick. So I did get that fig plant, not fig, I think it's called fiddle. Is that what that's called? Can someone please correct me if I'm saying it wrong? But I got the plant, and then I also got that TV stand, that Bias one, the BYAS one that I showed you guys already. And then I didn't show this because they actually didn't have it on display, but this is the mom dressing table. This is like really popular for vanities, so I'm gonna make this my vanity. And it has like a glass like cover on top. It has like one huge drawer that I'm gonna put all my makeup in, and then I also got a new vanity mirror, so I'm just gonna make this really nice. And yeah, so that's all I got. The TV stand came with 2 different boxes. I don't know why. So yeah, I just got 3 things, and I'm really happy with my purchase. And I'm just gonna keep these in my car because they're too heavy to bring in my house. I'm moving in 2 weeks, but these are just gonna stay in my car till then. So, oh my God, it's so heavy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this moving vlog. I pretty much actually got everything that I need. I'm going to be vlogging myself, like moving in and arranging furniture, and I'm definitely, of course, going to be filming an empty apartment tour, and then also a like final furnished apartment tour. And I'm also going to be doing a vanity tour, so like a makeup collection and like how I'm setting my new vanity up. So yeah, I'm really excited for all the new videos that are going to come from this move. And yeah, I hope you guys are too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.